Hi guys, today we're going to go over the crimp fold. This one is kind of tricky, so pay careful attention. It is a highly useful technique used for adding a 3D look to models. Starting off with a rectangular sheet, fold in half. Rotate it 90 degrees. Fold it to the left, slightly slanted, making a valley fold. Now fold it backwards, towards the right, creating a mountain fold. Now unfold everything. You will notice there is a VE-shaped crease over here, and another V over here. We have a mountain fold, valley fold, mountain fold, valley fold. Now, depending on whether you are doing the outside or inside crimp fold, you will make one V, a mountain fold on either side, and the second V, a valley fold on either side, and vice versa if you want to change to an outside crimp fold. Let's start with the inside crimp fold. Turn this into a mountain fold. Now let's turn this other one into a valley fold. So we have a valley fold, mountain fold, mountain fold. Fold the model in half while pushing inwards along the creases we just made. Flatten the model. And that's the inside crimp fold. Now to do the outside crimp fold, all you have to do is just inverse the mountain folds and valley folds in the steps prior. Let me just open this up and show you guys. And you're looking at the outside crimp fold. Thanks for watching, guys.